So what's up guys, welcome to this video. And today I will be showing you guys how to download and install WinRAR. So WinRAR is basically the free software which is used to compress and uncompress your files. So currently saying the buy WinRAR, you don't have to do that. This is absolutely free and you don't have to be worried about anything. So click on download WinRAR and it will be getting downloaded for your system. Okay, and after it gets downloaded, you just have to download and install it. And okay, so currently it is showing me few steps over here. So what you can do is just unclick this, and now it is getting downloaded over here. So I won't be downloading this over again because on my system there is already I have downloaded and installed this WinRAR. So WinRAR is basically we will be using when we want to compress our folder and convert it into zip file to upload it on this build.phone gap. So at that point we will be making use of this, otherwise this is not required. Okay, so once this gets downloaded, you just have to install it. That's it, you don't have to do anything else. Okay, so thanks for watching. This is all about how to download and install WinRAR. So you just have to download this file, and we will see how to proceed further with this thing. Thanks for watching.